Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we are going to be learning how to choose and change YouTube handles. First, here are a few things you need to know before you change that handle. The first is YouTube handle is a new way for people to find you on YouTube. It is a clever way to get noticed in YouTube Shorts. Further, it's also a way to identify yourself in a unique way. Also, YouTube handle lets people tag you in videos. Further, you can also find people on YouTube search using YouTube handles. Finally, you can connect with others in the YouTube community tab using YouTube handle. In order to change your YouTube handle, you either get a notification in your YouTube studio or you get a message in your mail. So the first thing you need to do is click on that message in your mail, then scroll down a bit. Then click on the blue button that says choose a handle. The moment you click on it, it will take you directly to YouTube. Click on the black choose a handle button. Then just below the name, click on handle. Just before you type the name of your handle, you have to know that the name is visible to everybody on YouTube. And you can only change back the handle name after 14 days. So the moment you understand this, you can go ahead and type in your desired handle name. For me, I'm going to be typing in the name of my channel, that is CC Tech. This way, it is unique to me and everybody who knows me before with that name can easily find me on YouTube. So I'm just going to type it right in. Then I'll click on OK. Now you can see my handle name is @CC Tech. I'm just going to go back, and you see now I have a channel URL which says www.youtube.com/@CC Tech. How cool is that, guys? And change your own now and have a feel of how it looks. Now you see my additional channel URL is youtube.com/@CC Tech. Please do not forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment to tell us how it went with changing your handle. Thank you so much for watching.